So we will solve one more problem of similar kind. So the problem is, determine the landfill area required for a municipality with population of 50,000, given that the solid waste generation is 450 grams per person per day. So here the value is given in grams. So you have to be careful about the units. So then compacted density of the landfill given is 504 kg per meter cube. So density is given in kg and waste generation is given in grams. Then average depth of compacted solid waste is 5 meters. So similar way we will solve. First we will find the solid waste generation rate. So rate is the population, that is 50,000, into the solid waste generated per person per day. So that is 450 grams. So if you convert it in kg, it will be 0.450. So what answer we got is 22,500 kgs per person per day. So this is the amount of waste generated kg per person per day. Next we will find out the volume. So volume is the formula is waste generated divided by density. So waste generated is 22,500 divided by density is given, that is 504 kg per meter cube. So here answer we got is 44.64 meter cube. Then we'll find out the area. So area is volume by depth. So volume is 44.64 divided by the average depth of the compacted is 5 meter. So here 5 meter divided by, if you do, you will get 8.93 meter square per day. Now this is the area required per day. So for per year, how much area is required? How to calculate? So the answer into the days in a year, that is 365. So here we'll find out area per year. So area per year is 8.93 into 365 days, which is equal to 3258.92 meter square per year. Then you have to assume a rectangular section with L is to B ratio as 2 is to 1. This you have to assume. Then so area is 2b square. So area we have calculated, that is 3258.92 into is equal to 2b square. So can you find the b from this? So b square is half of this 35 is 1629.46. So value of b is square root of this is 40.366 meters. So now you can find out the L. L is equals to 2b. So 2 into b is 40. So answer is 80.73 meters. So overall dimension, that is length into breadth, is 80.73 means 81 by 40. That is the value of b. So here L into b, that is length into breadth, that is the dimension required is 81 by 40 meters. So this is the similar kind problem. Now we will see one more problem, that is here, which is again similar, some changes. So here, estimate the quantity of solid waste generation per annum. So here you have to first estimate the quantity of solid waste generation per annum in a municipal area having 1 lakh dwellings. So here the in an area there are 1 lakh dwellings, means population is 1 lakh. So assume each person produces 350 grams of solid waste per day. So what is given? We are assuming here that each person So the population is 1 lakh and each person is producing 350 grams of solid waste per day. Also work out the number of collectors required per day. So we have to find out the number of collectors required per day. So if a collector collects 12 kg per hour, so what the collection rate is given? A person is collecting 12 kgs per hour and works for about 8 hours per day. So he is working for 8 hours and per hour he is collecting 12 kgs of the waste. So assume a mean population of 5 and resident per dwelling. Means what? There is a population of 1 lakh and in each house, each residence area, there are 5 people in one house. So like that they have given in the example. So this is asked for 10 marks in the question paper. So what we have to calculate is quantity of the waste generated per annum. So annually how much quantity of waste is generated we need to find out. So here first we will find out the solid waste generation per day. So how much waste is generated per day? So they have given as population, the dwellings means houses are 1 lakh houses and each house there are 5 residents. So we are multiplying by 5 into what is the waste generated? 350 grams per person per day is generated. So it is given in grams. If you convert it in kg, it will be 0.350. So this much is the weight generated per day. That is 1,75,000 kgs of the waste is generated per day. So this is the solid waste generation per day. So how we got it? There are 1 lakh dwellings and in 1 lakh houses there are 5 people in each resident. So into 5 into how much waste they are generating? 350 grams. So here it is 0.350 kgs. So total answer what we got is 1,75,000 kgs of the waste is generated per day. Okay, then if you want to calculate annually what waste is generated, how much amount of waste is generated? So that is per annum. So per annum how we got? That is the waste generated into the number of days in a year. So we got the answer as, so this is the answer which we got if you, this is in kg. So this is 63 or 6 crores 38 lakhs 75,000 kgs of the waste is generated per annum, that is annually. Or if you convert it in tons, it will be 63,875 tons of the waste is generated per annum. So again one more information they have given is also work out the number of collectors required. So we need to find how many workers are required, how many collectors are required to collect this much amount of waste that is generated. So and they have given that each person is collecting 12 kg per hour and he is working for 8 hours per day. So we have to calculate how number of collectors required. So to find out that one collector collects 12 kg per hour they have given and he works for 8 hours in a day. So that is per day he is collecting how much waste? That is 12 kg into 8 hours he is working. So per day he is collecting 96 kgs per day the waste he is collecting. Then how to find the number of collectors required? The amount of waste that is generated per day divided by what the quantity or the per day he collects how much? 96 kgs of the waste. So if you divide this, you will get the answer as 1822.92. That is approximately 1823. So the collectors required are 1823 collectors are required if he is working 12 hours. 12 kgs if he is collecting 12 kgs per hour and he is working for 8 hours per day, then these many collectors are required. So number of collectors required is, how we got is the waste generation per day divided by per day how much amount of or how much quantity of waste he is collecting, that is 96 kgs. So the answer is 1823 collectors are required.